I went to Panda Express. This is orange chicken. Panda Express is American Chinese cuisine. There are many food selection that you can choose from in Panda Express. I chose the most famous orange chicken. I also chose beef broccoli. You can choose white rice, noodles, or fried rice. I chose this. I chose this orange chicken because that is the most famous in the restaurant. Here we try the beef and then orange chicken. It's very tasty and delicious. I also have this stir fry noodles. The fried rice is not bad but not good. It's just a typical fried rice with carrots, green peas, egg, with soy sauce and sesame oil. The noodles is good and also the beef broccoli, and then I have this fortune cookie that they gave me. Please like and subscribe.